Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check your iPhone model and iOS version because Nugget depends on system APIs. Once done, download the app from the App Store and grant permissions for Bluetooth, location, and notifications so features work. Make sure your phone is at least 50% charged and on a stable Wi-Fi connection. You should back up to iCloud before proceeding. These steps prevent data loss and ensure Nugget can access sensors and cloud sync. Now open the app to begin the onboarding flow. You'll now configure Nugget's core settings so it behaves predictably. First, create an account or sign in with your Apple ID. That lets Nugget sync across devices. Then enable background app refresh and precise location to allow real-time updates and geo-fenced actions. Adjust notification categories so you receive only important alerts. Next, set privacy toggles and sync frequency. Lower frequency saves battery, higher gives timely data. Take a moment to review connected services. Accurate configuration makes the app reliable and efficient. You're ready to use Nugget's main features. Follow the in-app tutorial to capture items, add tags, and export entries. Once comfortable, make sure syncing works by creating a test item and confirming it appears on iCloud or another device. Use search and filters to find items quickly. If something goes wrong, first quit and reopen the app, then verify permissions in settings. If syncing still fails, sign out and back in. As a final step, reinstall the app. This clears corrupted caches and often resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.